how to exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to open up your Monopoly app, just like I have done here. And then by the lower right corner of the screen, you see your album icon. That is where your stickers are located. So just click on it. Currently I cannot open up my album because I have to meet this requirement, okay? But for you, open up your album. Once you open it up, you'll see your stickers, all right? And then by the top part of the screen, you'll see a chest, like a treasure chest icon. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, you a page would pop up showing you how much stars you get for each stickers you exchange. So you select the one that you want to go for, the option you want to go for. Once you've selected it, you'll see the option send to a friend. Select the friend you want to send to and send the stickers to your friend. Once you send it to your friend and your friend is notified and he or she accepts this sticker, you would get the rewards for those stickers, and the reward to include stars, dice, gems, etc. So that is how you can exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and exchange those stickers today. Thanks for watching.